Adding a Passcode On Demand user to the Signify service is very quick and easy. Here's how. In this demonstration, the example customer has already configured their security policy and added their authentication nodes. The administrator logs into the Signify Identity Management Center, or IMC, using their two-factor authentication credentials. Once authenticated, the administrator requests a new user. That user is added to the organization Cambridge within Demo Company Pool. In the case of Active Directory user synchronization, this information would be pre-populated by the Signify service. In this instance, we are manually adding the user. An email address is required in order to send a welcome email to the user during the registration process. The administrator selects Passcode On Demand and Strong PIN mode. Strong PIN mode ensures that the PIN and the one-time passcode are required by the user at login. The mobile phone number is added at this point. The administrator then adds which authentication node the user is permitted to log into and the username required. Once the request is submitted, the user is added, and the administrator is not required to do anything else from that point on. In this view, the administrator can see that John Smith is now awaiting registration, and that once registered, he will access both the IMC and a demonstration Juniper with the username of J. Smith. Highlighted here are quick links. These links are the next natural step within the process. So the user John Smith is now successfully added to the service. We are now looking at John Smith's Gmail account, which is being used to receive the welcome email. Within that is a one-time link for the user to register themselves to the service. The user enters their PIN, which will be between 4 and 8 digits in line with the policy. Once the PIN is set, a one-time code is sent to the user. This is then used to authenticate for the first time. The user then logs into the IMC, the Identity Management Center, and follows the registration process, at the same time agreeing to terms of use. Their personal information is confirmed, including their email address and any other contact information required by the system. The user then completes their security questions. Now those can be suggested by the Signify IMC or left blank for the user to complete themselves. In this case, the user is required to set 3 security questions and answers. Once this information is complete, the registration process is over. The user then has full access to the IMC and would be able to use their SMS credentials in order to log in. Now, within the administration view, we want to see that John has registered. And as you can see here from the logging, you have an exact time and date when that occurred. And John's registration status is registered. Using quick links, we will go to the passcode transmission logs. Using the passcode transmission logs, you can then see that one-time codes have been sent successfully by Signify to the user. I hope this demonstrates just how quick and easy Signify is to use, both as an end user and an administrator. For more information, please visit the Signify website or contact our sales team.